Welcome to Cooking with Bobby Joe. Today we are making cheesy surprise hamburgers, and the cheesy surprise is the cheese sticks cooked in the middle. I'm going to start by cooking up the bacon. I always cut my bacon in half. It fits better in the pan and cooks more evenly. And I also use a bacon press. And I try to only flip my bacon once. I like to have it done on one side before flipping to the other side. Once the bacon is done, I place the bacon on paper towel and also place a paper towel over the top. And then I drain the bacon grease into my bacon grease can. Then get your ground beef, add a half a teaspoon of salt and pepper and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Mix it together with your hands, and I'm only making 2 burgers. If you're making more than that, you want to add more Worcestershire sauce. Get a baking pan, place a piece of parchment paper down on it, and form the beef into 4 patties. And they don't have to be perfect. Then you want to place another piece of parchment paper on top, and then I use a cast iron skillet to flatten them out some, but you can use whatever you have on hand. Then I get out my Cracker Barrel cheese sticks. You can use whatever brand you like, but Cracker Barrel cheddar cheese are really good. Cut your cheese stick in half and place the 2 pieces on the burger. Then place the other burger on top of the cheese stick burger and make sure to seal all the open areas around the edges of the burger. So you're basically making a thick burger patty and sealing up all evidence that there's a cheese stick in the middle. Here's the cheese sticks I use, and in the Chattanooga area you can find them at Food City. Well, not all food cities have them. I can't find them on Highway 58, but Lee Highway and the one in Harrison has them. Then I put the patties in my cast iron skillet on medium heat. And in the meantime, I sauteed together some mushrooms and onions. I'm not putting my burger on bread. I'm going to just pile a bunch of veggies on it. And it looks like one of my burgers leaked a little cheese, but it'll still be good. And I toasted Steve's hamburger bun. I'm putting down bacon, grilled onions, mustard, and he requested a slice of cheese even though it has cheese in the middle. And there is his burger. Now mine has ketchup, bacon, onions, mushrooms, and pickles. And I typically do tomato too, but I was out and the garden ones are still green. And there you have it, a drool-worthy cheesy surprise burger. We had company stop by, so Steve didn't get to do a review at the start of eating. He has a couple of bites left when he does his review. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned Friday for the Lake Hill City Birds, and I'm going to leave you with Steve reviewing the burger. Bye for now.
Okay, I'm down to about 1-2 bites of hamburger left. This had some cheese on the middle that was awesome. Had bacon on the top, had another slice of cheese on the bottom, because you can't have enough cheese or bacon on a hamburger. If you're not sure what to do with a hamburger, add cheese and bacon and all your problems will go away. This was really good. I would like to have this probably, I don't know, a couple times a day, 7 days a week, because I love hamburgers. But I could handle fish the other meal, probably. But this is really good. I give it 2 thumbs up.
Is it drool-worthy?
Oh yeah. Very good.